Hey guys, this is an oops video. Forgot to put this on the main video. April, we're doing a limited mountain drive. It'll be Spring Mountain Drive Limited. First 15 cars to register gets to go. We're staying at Creekide in Maggie Valley. They are closed for the season, but they'll open for us exclusively. We're combining a drive with the Z's, with Randy Carter's Z's. The drive will leave on the 9th of April, a Thursday morning. We'll head up midway, halfway to Macon, overnight there, then finish the drive up on Friday morning, and then we're doing some drives on Friday, restaurants on Saturday, and then restaurants on Friday night and Saturday. And then some will come back home Sunday. Others may go to Tennessee and stay and drive and come back in on Monday. But the first 15 to RSVP, and that's where we cut it off. It's a small group. We're going to be moving, and cars only. No, I'm not taking a trailer, not taking grills, and not cooking. This is going to be a fun spring drive. Deals Gap, the Dragon, some other really cool roads over into Alcoa, Tennessee, and like. So first of all, if you want to go, you need to RSVP and get on the list, and then from there we'll give you more information as we get closer to the dates. Thank you very much. Happy motoring. See you soon. Bye.